Okay, so here, 35, I think might change to 35, like west, east-west maybe. And that's what it says. Looks like... What just happened?
Did you put my burger with the girls and stuff? No.
With ours.
The only thing that I put in their bag was your cheese curds. I put my cheese curds with yours so they don't gonna steal it.
Oh!
What was that?
They just hit each other. And I got it on dash cam, I think, too. Oh. No, they hit each other.
Oh, Now we're going over to help.
Yeah. I think he was pulling out of this road. Or was in the middle.
Well, because it's that car down
that
there.
one down there.
Shit. I've never seen
Someone needs to call 911.
Hey, take this.
Whoa! Oh my god! Ooh.
Right.
So, yeah,
Okay.
just take a picture of it. I just want to see something, that's all.
Okay. I talked to Mom this morning about coming over on the 31st.
Okay.
And she said that Angel wasn't going to come. And I said, well, Mom, I'm going to extend the invitation to Angel anyway.
Uh-huh.
Because I'm not going to send it to you guys and not Angel. I said he can make his decision whether he can come or not. She goes, well,
Это вообще уже охренеть. Я тут, блин, не видишь, что классно заканчивается. Там и пофиг, через сплошное.
Привет, друзья! С вами Катя Каренина. Героиня нашей программы Катя, вокалистка группы Айова, права еще не получила. Она только на пути к своей мечте. Мы встретились с ней на полигоне и подробным образом разобрали те вопросы, которые в первую очередь возникают у мужчин за рулем. Катя, привет! Расскажи, что заставило тебя начать обучаться вождению? Я благодарю и как ты хочу, что мы живем. Ну, получилось. Я вот сейчас. Обычно все мои гости рассказывают о том, что там...
Здесь вам не посоветуют, как вывести пятна. Но помогут заполнить пробелы. Кафедра. Практику. По выходным с 13:00.
What the heck was that? Oh.
I thought he just hit you, but
A guy on a bike. Can't call it a... No, it's just a dent in the bumper.
I'm not stressed about today. Don't worry about me. I'm glad he wasn't on. Hold up.
Yeah.
And then what somebody say something smart to him in the car?
No, I think they were trying to see if he was okay.
Oh, okay.
I thought I know the car.
Lafayette Police Station 109. What's the location?
Actually, we're moving. I was just involved in a rear-end collision with a motorcycle, but the motorcycle just took off.
Okay, you starting, please?
Yeah, we're on 95.
Hold on for stay, please. Hold on.
All right.
continue for half a mile.
You know what's weird? I just this morning looked at a video of a motorcycle accident.
Yeah, I was just involved in a hit and run with a motorcycle. I got rear-ended, and he decided to take off. We're on.
Are you supposed? Go ahead.
Yeah, we're on 95, heading towards Broad Street exit.
Are you going northbound or southbound?
Northbound. I have
Do
it
you
on
have any
the...
damage?
No, not injury to me. I don't know how he is. He said he was all right, but then he just got on